Hey folks, Troy Anderson here from the AZFL. We're doing our round 9 wrap-up. This game was actually to decide who went to the grand final. We're here with Brad Chops Palumbo of the Devils team. His team was under the gun today to win by 50 points or more to get in the final. So how did it go today, Brad?
Oh, we had our best game of the season. We had our guys show up. We had a good warm-up. We're determined not to fall down on the first quarter like we have in the last 2 games. So we had our guys pumped up and ready to go at the whistle, and we took it to them.
Yeah, so did we make the final or not? It was a big hill to overcome to make that 50-some point gain to get into the final and tie the King Snakes and go in on percentage. So how did we turn out on that?
We were doing okay, and then going into the fourth quarter, we had a lot of men down and no subs. We had one guy with a bad foot, another guy with a bad hamstring, a guy who tweaked his thumb, so he's playing thumbless, another guy go out down with a calf. So by the end of the game, there wasn't many standing.
So overall, how are you as captain of the Devils team this year? How do you feel that the team fared in terms of making improvements on the season or anything along those lines?
We did pretty well. Pretty excited for how we ended the season, especially with how we started it. We took a lot of risks with the guys that we chose, and they really proved out true towards the end. So be nice to take that into next season, take it into the Hawks season, and see how these guys develop. Speaking
of the Hawks, are your men excited to kind of play together with the rest of the squad from the AZFL? There's a big match coming up on May 22nd.
Oh yeah, our guys, we had a lot of new guys, a lot of rookie guys, a lot of guys that have been out of the league for a couple of years. So it was good to get them back in, get them on the field. And they're excited to see how they can play with the rest of the squad and the rest of the other teams that they've had to face against for the whole Metro season.
All right, thanks, Chops, and best of luck for the rest of the season.
Thanks, man.
All right, folks. We're here with Darren Toohey, the captain of the Tombstone Marshals AZFL. I think the last time we spoke with him, he had already secured a spot in the grand final. So we're here wrapping up the regular season final, round 9. How did it go, Darren?
Not the way we would have liked it. Undefeated on the season, looking to go in the grand final undefeated, but unfortunately lost today. Devils came out and played their best game of the season, and our guys, we ran around like we were running on empty, but we fought back. But, you know, big upset. You know, the bookies wouldn't have picked this one, but hopefully we can turn it around for the final.
So, the rumor is you're going to be a little undermanned for the final. Maybe some men out of town, maybe some men getting a little scared of the pressure. What's going on with Tombstone going into the big final to secure what? Second championship in 3 years, I believe?
It would be second in 3 years. Put it this way, all of our men are going to be there. We're missing a boy or two, but the men will be there.
Okay, excellent. So, how's it going to feel to be a potential premiership captain champion?
Well, I like to do it for our sponsors. You know, in Australia, we're sponsored by BHP. Here in the US, sponsored by Nike. It's just something to give back. They give us a lot of money to put their names on our jerseys, so it's good payback for them to win the championship.
And as this AZFL comes to a close, there's a massive match coming up here in Arizona on May 22nd. How are the men feeling about coming together to play as a single squad against one of the probably bigger rivals of the Arizona Hawks?
Yeah, San Diego's coming in, the Lions in 3 weeks. It's going to be our first match together. It's going to be great to take all of our teams here. We've been beating the crap out of each other to come together to form a team. We're going to have a big squad, probably 30 players, 12 on the bench. It's going to be pretty competitive to get on the lineup for the Hawks. And I think we're going to show some good stuff out there against the Lions.
Well, best of luck in the AZFL Premiership. I believe this is probably the 11th or 12th Premiership of existence. And obviously, best of luck in that massive match May 22nd.
Thank you.